let me show you how I set the design on the Monogram machine before I start to run the design. So this is pocket design. This is what I'm doing. So I've clicked on it. Then this is the color, where to pick the color. So the color, I think this was the color I used last, or maybe the machine set it, but this is not the color I want to use. The color I'm using, let me show you on the thread rack. I'm using this dark green and the lemon. That's what I'm using. So right now I want to set the color number. On my number 7, that's where I have the dark green. I think this is something like this. So I will click on the number 7 number, and then click on the color I want. You can see it has changed. Then on number 10 is where I have the lemon green. I hope you can see it. So the lemon green, not very bright. So number 10, this is my number 10. So I'm going to change it to this. I will use this, or better still, let me check if I can see something similar. I think this is okay. So the next thing is to press accept. I've accepted the changes. So the next thing now is to choose the color for this design. This background, this is the background. I want to use the dark green, which is number 7. And for this part that has gold, I'm using the lemon, which is number 10. So you can see it has changed. Then for the border area, this black area, I'm using the green as well. So the design has 2 color. So the next thing is for me to set it on the frame. You can see the frame image on the screen. So this is the frame. This is the area where I want to run the design. This is the piece of fabric I'm using for the design. So let me adjust. I'm going to adjust. I want to move. You can see I'm moving the design down. This is the area where I want to do the design. I'm doing the design on this area, so I'm trying to set it. So I've set it. Now the next thing is to check if it aligns, if it's on the part I want. So here is where I will use, this is what I'll click on to set it. You can see the machine already starts moving. So I think this area is fine for me to place the fabric. It's not going to meet other design I've done on the frame. So the next thing now is to set the fabric. So I want to place the fabric on the space after I have confirmed that this space will be enough for the design. So I'm going to check the design area also on the fabric. So let me check. So I see there is space, there is space, there is space. So the setting of the fabric as well is okay. So the next thing to do is to click on the needle, and then so the next thing is to release the design. I've clicked on the needle. The next thing is to release the design. This is where I'm going to release it. So the design will appear on the screen. You can see the design. As the machine continues to run, it will be showing boldly on the screen. So I'm going to click on start button. So as you can see, the machine first run the border area, the line. So this is how the job is running. You can see it has already shaped out the pattern, the shape of the pattern. It has already shaped it out. So all this place, there will be filling on all this place. Look at the screen. You can see it's becoming more bold. Sorry for the light. You can see it's becoming more bold. That this is saying the machine has run this part, the machine has run this part, and the machine has run this part. All these parts that are still not bold, all these parts, it means that the machine has not run it. Or likewise here. So that's what it means. Right now the second color is running. When the first color finish, automatically the second needle will start to work without me pressing anything from the machine. So this is the second color I'm using. The first color is dark green and the second color is lemon green. So the design is almost ready.
orí ló ń jẹ́ bá dẹ́dẹ́ orí ló ń kọ́. èmi ń jẹ́ kí n tí o tí o kò máa gbọ́ ọmọ wàhálà